Here we are at our vineyard of Tempranillo. Tempranillo is a typical grape from Spain. And from this vineyard, we make this selecció from DO Pla de Bages organic. This selecció is made of four grape varieties, Tempranillo, Merlot, Cabernet Franc, and Syrah. And all these grapes together goes directly after the long skin maceration goes directly to a French oak barrel during 6 months. After these 6 months, we bottle the wine and to make the second step of aging inside the bottle during 3 years. The current vintage now is 2018, so it's like an aging, real aging wine. You can feel some forest and ripe fruits on nose and mouth, and also the barrel, but it's not so strong. It's easy to drink. You can serve a little bit cold, like a young wine, but you can feel all the region, all the forest, and all these special flavors. And also you can pair with starters with white meat, for example chicken, or and also red meat, grilled red meat, and maybe some also some fish.